Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mcbaj, a photographer and also a cinematographer based in London, UK. So today I decided to go to the V&A Museum, which is the Victoria and Albert Museum, which is in London. Guys, as I got here, I decided to go to the sculpture area first off, which I found different interesting sculptures, and it was just popped in my head like, really, some people just slept and woke up and decided to like create some kind of artwork that people years and years later right now queuing up to actually see what's right here. That's amazing. Like, the creative industry is just something else entirely. Then after I finished from the sculpture area, I decided to go to the fashion area. My mind was blown away. Like, look at the details on this corset, guys. Like, I think that's what it's been called. Like, I just imagine a model putting this on. I'm like, God. Also the hats, the lace, the details and everything. It's just crazy, guys. So yeah, then I also go to the bridal area, which is like a fashion bridal area, and I saw this beautiful hat and veil, guys. I was blown away. I just imagine a model or like a bride putting just the veil on with like maybe probably with still her underwears, and damn, with like a glorious backlight. I was just in a whole different space. As you guys can hear the excitement in my voice. Then I also saw this beautiful neck, well, I call it a neck piece, or just like it's just lace, and the details on it was just so nice. I could imagine a model putting this on. Like, guys, you guys just have to visit this area if you're in London. So yeah, after I did all of this, and I also got to the fashion area. They were just showing from different like centuries and all of that. Then it got to like one bit where I saw the fashion deconstruction, and as I saw this, I think the first thing that came into my mind was Kai. And I swear you could see the way fashion actually evolved. Like, the pieces right here were like so nice. Like, you can see the one on the dress and the female mannequin right there. Like, it's crazy. Like, I could actually see myself shooting this. Like, then I decided to stop by to eat. So I decided to have a carrot cake and a chocolate. And guys, where I was even eating, like the restaurant itself, the ambience, guys, you looking right above you have a very large light source, more like a chandelier, and in fact the artwork all around you. In fact, the food is just going to like, the food eats differently, guys. If you get what I mean, like, it's just different.
Going upstairs right now. I'm trying to locate the photography beats, because I've been downstairs trying to check out the sculpture beat. And like I said, this is just basically a time out for me to just source inspiration, and because I'm tired of everything. Like, it's just all recycled stuff I've been doing. So I think this is another room for like bronze work and all of that. So I just need to locate the paintings, drawings, photography, just to search for inspiration around there. And meanwhile, this is me. Every time I go out, I'm often leaving something back at home. Like, I actually left my tripod arm that I meant to actually just use for this, but I hope you guys can see me, and it's quite close, but do the job.
And then the painting section, guys. Ooh, guys, these paintings look so real. I'm like, geez, can you just imagine how long it would have taken this person to actually pull off this painting? Like, guys, it looks so real. The details, the way the lighting was actually like falling on them, it feels so like, oh my god, like being in the space alone is like a whole different thingy. And looking at the way they actually made the skin look like, and also the way the colors are on this painting, And then I decided to go to the photography area to end the video with, and this photography space was quite interesting because I also saw a South African photographer, which I can't pronounce his name, but I'm just gonna put his name right on this video right here. I think he's the Zanele Mohuli's work communicates and exposes the persistent violence and discrimination that the South African Black LGBTQIA community faces. So he was basically shooting portraits highlighting issues of race, gender, sexuality, history, and representation, and resonates with a sense of positivity.
This is a very interesting picture.
This one right here blew me away. I'm like, oh my god, we actually came into this photographer's head to do something like this. Like, this is pure heart right here. Like, guys, I just think as creatives we're meant to like try out new things and not follow the whole bandwagon of everybody seems to be shifting in the same direction these days. Like, we're all concerned about gear and how to retouch skin and all of this, but at the same time I think the previous or other photographers before our time right here, they were more concerned about making their voice heard and more like they were trying to put their personality into their heart so people can actually see. I think that's a very big difference between now and then. So I know there are definitely some other photographers who are doing this, but I'm also part of this group that I'm talking about, saying I know more about what is actually the current trend. But I think this should be something that we're meant to change, which I also at the same time saw the work of like this other photographer, which is more like a industrial photographer, and his story was quite interesting. Like, he literally changed the way people tend to like see industries or like factories back then. Like, the way he shot it was quite interesting.
I just got out of the photography section of this V&A Art Museum. So guys, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and also give me a thumbs up to just support this channel, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.